Hello. A common thing that we get is someone changes the batteries in their box, puts new ones in, uses it for a couple of days, and says that their charger isn't working or there must be something wrong with the batteries. We ask them to go through a procedure to try and narrow down what the issue is. Quite often when people put new batteries in boxes, they can be possibly liable to earth something out or touch a terminal that they shouldn't have done with a screwdriver and cause issues. What we tell people to do is to plug the charger into the wall and look at the light. You can see on this particular charger it's a green light. I'm not sure if we can still see it. Yeah, we can. So now we plug the charger into the box. Now that light did not change. That means that the charger cannot see the batteries that are inside. Now with this particular client, they've said that they've been using the scooter for a few days, so we're pretty damn sure there's nothing wrong with the batteries. What is probably wrong is the fuse. Now on this on this particular box, the fuse is at the front here. I've cheated slightly by pulling that fuse out because I already knew what was wrong with it. This is the fuse. It's just a normal blade fuse, kind you would see in a car. This particular one is 5 amp. I'm going to pull this out of here. I'm going to change the fuse over, if you like, by putting it back in. Now you can pick these up from anywhere, any garage, Tesco's or anything like that, probably for about 10 bob each, next to nothing. You've probably got a spare one in your car. Now, when we look at this charger and we plug the charger in, keep looking at this light here. When we plug it in, it changed to red. Now it's seeing the batteries and instigating a charge. So that was 10 pence, 20 pence, 50 pence for a new fuse, and that sorts that issue out. Please subscribe to our channel, www.batterytrader.com, and hopefully this has been helpful for you. Thank you. Bye.